Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to our vlog. Another day, another motor na naman.
For today's, we're gonna feature one of the most popular scooters here in the Philippines,
The Yamaha NMAX D2.
The Yamaha NMAX B2 is a 155 scooter designed for both city driving and long rides. It's known for being practical, kaya naging popular scooter siya sa Pilipinas. What makes it stand out is yung feel mo dito para kang naka-big bike kasi malaki yung dala mong scooter eh. So pag nasa daan ka, hindi ka nanliliit pag nakatabi mo yung mga sasakyan, ganyan.
When it comes to NMAX B2, it looks super modern and sporty.
You immediately notice the big, bold part of the LED headlights, which give a strong road presence, especially at night. The body is also wide and premium looking, which adds to its big bike vibe. Even the dashboard is digital, making it easy to read speed and fuel and other indicators while riding.
The Yamaha NMAX V2 is powered by 155cc liquid-cooled single-cylinder engine. It has DVAR variable valve action technology, which helps provide smooth performance at low and high speed. It produces around 15 horsepower and 14.2 Newton meter of torque, giving enough power for daily commuting and long ride. The scooter also uses fuel injection technology, making it more fuel efficient and smooth to ride.
Hi guys, so this is my first time na makadrive ng NMAX B2. So my honest review is sobrang smooth, comfy. When it comes to the lubak, is playable yung front shock and the rear shock, and then may malinaw din yung headlight and sa mga signal lights, and maganda rin yung mga side mirrors niya. Makikita mo yung mga sa likod mo, malinaw, and when it comes to the looks, sobrang pogi. Sobrang gani drive, sobrang taas. Sakto lang pala.